I'll be demonstrating how I throw together a healthy, savory, plant-based meal in about 5 minutes using everyday organic grocery ingredients. I'll be making quinoa with mixed veggies including broccoli and a Mediterranean blend, with mixed fruit including blueberries, avocado, and an immunity blend, topped with olive oil and mixed seeds. Let's get started. Let's add the broccoli. This is Whole Foods 365 brand. More veggies. As you can see, I'm a fan of organic frozen vegetables. On this occasion, I'll be using Mediterranean mixed veggies, which has zucchini, yellow squash, carrots, green beans, and peppers, and onions. Then we'll add some avocado. Pitaya frozen avocado is pre-cut and so easy to prepare. Now I'll stick it in the microwave. Timing depends on the microwave. On my 900 watt, I cook it for about 3 to 3.5 minutes. Let's throw some blueberries on. I prefer wild blueberries, which have a higher concentration of antioxidants compared to cultivated blueberries. Let's add the immunity fruit mix. Pitaya's immunity fruit is organic dragonfruit, passionfruit, and mango, conveniently pre-cut. Next, we'll add quinoa. Whoops! Spill on aisle 1. Never mind that. Stick it in the microwave for 2 to 3.5 minutes, depending on your microwave. While it's cooking, I'll clean that up. Let's add some kale. Brad's Crunchy Kale has the nutritional goodness of kale with other natural organic ingredients for additional nutrition and flavoring. In convenient, ready-to-eat form. Now we'll add seeds. BetterBody Foods Organic Super Seeds consists of chia, flax, and hemp. High in omegas for plant-based food. Finally, a splash of EVOO, or extra virgin olive oil. EVOO has many health benefits including polyphenols. I like Whole Foods 365 Organic Mediterranean, which reportedly has a relatively low amount of phthalates. I also like to have a gimme seaweed snack on the side when I have a plant-based meal. Gimme seaweed snacks come in many flavors. My favorites are chili lime and Korean BBQ. And that's it. Super easy, fast, convenient, and healthy. That's all, folks. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, comment, subscribe, and/or share. Check out my channel for other quick and healthy recipes.